For my next video, I'd like to do one on a pretty simple topic, moving your apps into folders. Okay, probably everyone out there knows how to do it, and preface, I'm on a Samsung S25 Ultra, and this is going to be for Android only, maybe even Apple. It could go to Apple, but I'm not sure exactly how that works, but you'll figure this out what I'm talking about. So have you ever tried to move an app? So we're going to go all the way to the bottom here, and you've tried to move an app and it doesn't go in, and you're playing chase the folder and it's just not going in, and you've tried over and over, and over again, and you just keep going back and forth like some game. There's an easier way to do this, and I'm not even going to attempt to try anymore when I move my apps, because I sit there and I get frustrated. Then they either don't get moved or I just delete the whole app, which is not smart. So let's go into our folder that we want, and all you need to do is hit the plus and then scroll down to the app you want, which is a VPN for me, and done. There it is. So it actually added it. So now I have 2 copies. So now all you need to do is just remove this one. And then there it is. So really simple. You don't have to chase your apps around the screen like a crazy person and not be able to get your apps in, and you keep trying, and once out of every 5,000 you might get it on the first or second try, but normally they don't. So just again, show you real quickly. So you open up your, let's see here, we'll do this one. Open up your folder, hit the plus, pick the app you want, and then it goes in the folder. So real simple on a very complex issue sometimes when, like I said, you keep trying to move them. So that's my video. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.